Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best electric rotary fabric cutters that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a professional tailor, a DIY enthusiast, or a crafter looking to save time and effort, we've got you covered. You can find all the product links in the description below. So, let's jump right in and get started with the countdown. Kicking off our list at number 5, we have the Falkness Electric Rotary Fabric Cutter. This budget-friendly option comes in at only $40.64, making it a great choice for those just starting out or working on smaller projects. It's equipped with a 2400 RPM motor and an octagonal blade capable of cutting up to 1 inch, 25 millimeters thickness, making it suitable for multi-layered fabrics, leather, and wool. The design is compact and lightweight, weighing just 3 pounds, which makes it easy to maneuver and operate for extended periods. It also features an automatic sharpening stone, so you don't need to remove the blade for maintenance. However, keep in mind that this cutter is best suited for light to moderate use. While it handles straight and curved cuts well, it may struggle with more demanding industrial tasks. On the downside, customer reviews noted that the build quality feels a bit less robust compared to other options on this list. However, for the price, it's an excellent entry-level tool. If you're a hobbyist looking for an affordable and versatile rotary cutter, the Falkness Electric Rotary Fabric Cutter is worth considering. At number 4, we have the C. Goldenwall Electric Rotary Fabric Cutter, a reliable mid-range option for professionals and enthusiasts alike. With a 2400 RPM motor and a cutting thickness of 0.86 inches, 22 millimeters, this cutter delivers clean, precise cuts on a variety of materials, including cloth, synthetic fibers, and carpets. However, it's not recommended for flannel or fluff fabrics. The standout feature here is its automatic sharpening stone, which keeps the blade razor-sharp for consistent performance. It's slightly lighter than similar models at 2.54 pounds, making it easier to handle, though it still feels sturdy and durable. The combination of straight and curved cutting capabilities also makes it a versatile option for complex projects. While this cutter's price is not listed, it earns its spot for its reliable performance and heavy-duty build quality. A minor drawback is that it requires manual cleanup of fabric scraps to prevent jamming. Overall, it's a solid choice for users looking for a dependable tool for medium to heavy workloads. Coming in at number 3 is the GCC SJ110V Electric Rotary Fabric Cutter. This model sets itself apart with its impressive cutting thickness of 1.06 inches, 27 millimeters, making it one of the most robust options on this list. It's designed for industrial-grade performance, capable of cutting up to 15 layers of fabric with smooth and precise results. The GCC SJ cutter is equipped with an automatic sharpening system that ensures the blade remains in top condition without the need for removal. It's slightly heavier at 6.93 pounds, which may not be ideal for prolonged handheld use. However, this added weight contributes to its stability and durability, making it perfect for commercial applications. It's also versatile, handling both straight and curved cuts with ease. The main drawback here is its weight, which might be cumbersome for some users. Additionally, while it's great for heavy-duty tasks, its size may be overkill for smaller, more delicate projects. Still, if you're looking for a workhorse for industrial or large-scale cutting, the GCC SJ Electric Rotary Fabric Cutter is a fantastic option. Ranking second is another model from C. Goldenwall, the Electric Rotary Fabric Cutter with a cutting thickness of up to 1 inch, 25 millimeters. This cutter combines power and precision, featuring a 2400 RPM motor and a 2.76-inch octagonal blade. It's designed for multi-layer cutting, making it ideal for heavy-duty materials like leather, carpet, and synthetic fabrics. This model is slightly heavier than its counterpart at 3.1 pounds. But the added weight contributes to its robust build quality. The built-in sharpening stone ensures the blade stays sharp, and the cutter is easy to maintain. Straight and curved cuts are a breeze, and the pure copper motor delivers stable performance, though it does result in a slightly noisier operation. The C. Goldenwall cutter is a great choice for professionals who need a reliable and versatile fabric cutter. However, it's not suitable for cardboard or fluff fabrics, which limits its versatility slightly. Despite this, its heavy-duty design and excellent cutting performance make it a worthy runner-up on our list. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Works Zip-Snip Cordless Electric Scissors. At $45.74, this premium option combines portability, power, and versatility to make it the ultimate choice for both casual and professional users. Unlike the other cutters on this list, the Zip-Snip is cordless and powered by a 4-volt lithium-ion battery, offering unmatched convenience and mobility. Despite its lightweight design at just 13.8 ounces, the Zip-Snip packs a punch. It can cut through a variety of materials, including fabric, leather, and even cardboard up to 0.25 inches thick. The automatic blade sharpening system ensures you get smooth, precise cuts every time, and the dual safety system adds an extra layer of protection during use. The only notable downside is that it's not designed for extremely thick or industrial-grade materials. However, for general-purpose cutting and DIY projects, the Works Zip-Snip is unbeatable. Its portability, ease of use, and long battery life make it a must-have tool for crafters and professionals alike. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in narrowing down your options for the best electric rotary fabric cutters. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and comparisons. If you have any questions about these products, drop them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to help. See you in the next video.